The program, maybe we can give from the ambassador, from the embassy.
I've already put for them. Theirs are there.
They're in the state.
Seats are there.
No, for the ambassador.
Yes, they are. I gave seats so that when they come in, then they can give them.
Which is that?
That big seats are here.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, the first one. No problem. No problem. No problem. You don't throw in enough.
Sound check 1 2. 1 2 sound check.
It looks better. Okay, not even but I didn't feel what's now also funny thing. Baba dai sana kaka gara roni kanga bajeno no gams natan dia jawa dande jawdara uja garma avaru kuja waka okay umofata ka taka sura kibore hapa tika okay but sisi taweza no gamjira no tora kibore hapa kujena Mangwana nakanaka vatendera muna Kristo ndinokumbira kuti teerere nguva yokuti titange mutero wemisa woku namatira Father Augustine nokuti tizonovachengeta kushawasha yakwana. Nokudaro ndinokumbirawo kuti vanhu tiedze kugara pasi. Chokutanga chechipiri kune vane mafoni avo tomaisawo pasilent kana kuti pa-airplane mode kuti tisakanganisane kunamata. Misa yemutoro wemisa watinawo nhasi ndokuti tisusukidze mweya waFather Augustine. Mutoro wemisa wanhasi uchazopera nokuchengetwa kuchaitwa Father Augustine kuchawasha cemetery kunovigwa ana baba ozomweya vemuarchdiocese of Harare. Nokudaro tinokumbirwa kuti pachange paakutaurwa mainstructions emafambiro atichaita titeerere kuti tichafamba sei, nokuti mafambiro atichaita mushure memisa atava kuenda kunochengeta baba akakosha kuti urongwa hwedu ufambe mune zvakanaka. Chechipiri, nguva yebody viewing tichakumbirawo kuti vanhu tiedze kuti fambei nokukurumidza kuitira kuti tigone kufamba nenguva yatiinayo muzuva ranhasi. After the mass, tese tinokokwa kuti tiende pane table yakanzi memorial table iri kumashure muno muchechi kuti tinyorerewo zvatinogona kuti tinyorere baba maringe nezvatinorangarira nazvo. Pane ino nguva ndinokoka vekwaya kuti vatimbire rwekupinda tose tisumuke tange mutoro wedu wemisa. ngatigare pasi. Pane nguva tinokumbira Baba Nyanzara Parish Chairperson vative welcome remarks.
His Grace, the Most Reverend Archbishop of Harare, Diocese Robert Christopher Njofu, Vicar General Father Kenneth Mguti in absentia. Oh, sorry, Father. Vicar General Father Kenneth Mguti, the SVD Superior in Zimbabwe, Father Vincent, Pastoral Council Spiritual Director, Father Matenga, the Indonesian Ambassador, yet to come, Dean of Mondoro, Dinari, Father Edmondos, Southwest of City Dinari, Father Dean Father Netekwa, Gustos, Father Magwidi, a Franciscan, priests and all the clergy, pastoral council members at diocese level, parish councillors, the late brothers and sisters in Christ, a good morning to you all. Nezuro takava nokuita welcome vazhinji vedu tichiva nevigil mass, but today we have grown in numbers. Taita vamwe vakuru vauya. It is with sadness and deep sorrow that we gather yet again for the funeral of one of us, Father Augustine Joram. Ndinoda kuchingamidza mese kubva kwese kwatabva. I welcome you all from wherever you have come from. Nasi taunganira zvakare nyaya yekuti tisusikidze mweya wa Father Augustine kuti vafambiswe zvakanaka. Taungana kuti tiite the last send off. Tine urombo ukuru. Ndakamirira musha wese webudiriro weMondoro, St. Monica, St. Dominic's, Dinari, Southwest, zvakare the Archdiocese in its large picture. Taraskiwa zvikuru sediocese, taraskiwa zvikuru semadhinari maviri iwawo takashandana Father Augustine southwest of Dinari, southwest of City Dinari for nguva yakakura chaizvo vasati vaenda kuMondoro. Vaenda kuMondoro ndinodaira sefeedback yandaisangana nayo sokuvashanyira kwandaifamba nawo ndaiona the jailing iri serious. Ukama hwakasimba hwanga hwavapo nemhuri yeMondoro. So taraskiwa tose tinongoti may his soul rest in eternal peace. Last night we spent the whole night sevatenderi nana Father pamwe chete celebrating the life of our hero Father Augustine. Takabatikana, takashua, tichiri pakushua, asi we are celebrating his life. Vakamanya nechimuti chavo vachiita basa ravakatumwa. Tinodavira kuti vakarikwanisa. Ndo saka vatorwa at that tender age at 46, vanga vachitenda 46 muzuva ranhasi. Saka tinoti happy birthday to our hero. Happy birthday, Father Augustine. Mufamba zvakanaka. So, tinokugamuchirai mese nouwandu hwenyu kuuya kwamaita musununguke mushande wenyu paanongori paHoly Cross. Vasekuru vakaona Holy Cross zvakakodzera kuti tiwane yakakura saizvozvi. Musha wedu wedhaizi, musha wedu wedhinari, musha wedu tose takadai. Sunungukai tiite basa irori tirifambise ripere. Ndatenda.
Pane ino nguva yakaitinzwe nhoroondo yaFather Augustine yatichapiwa naFather Franciscus Boka SVD.
Mamukasei, Your Grace, the Most Reverend, the Archbishop Bernard Ndlovu of the Archdiocese of Bulawayo, all the deans present, my beloved brother priests, sisters, seminarians, diacons, and you, all the Batandere Badiwa Gunamari, allow me to greet all the family of the friends and relatives of Father Augustinus Joram who are joining us through live streaming. Bapak dan Mama, saudara dan saudari, tante dan om yang terkasih dimanapun kalian berada, teristimewa segenap kaum keluarga yang ada di Lembor, Flores Barat, yang sedang mengikuti jalannya upacara pemakaman perayaan Ekaristi Kudus yang akan dipimpin oleh Uskup Agung Keuskupan Agung Harare, Monsinyur Robert Ndlovu. Salam dari Zimbabwe, dari Paroki Salib Suci Budirido Harare. Mari kita sama-sama mengikuti perayaan ini. Kita mendoakan arwah dari Pater Gusti Joram. Semoga Tuhan yang Maha Pengasih dan Maha Murah menganugerahi tempat yang layak di sisinya di surga. Sudah, my dear brothers and sisters, Father Augustinus Sepandi Joram was born on 29 December 1979 in Lembor, a small town in West Flores of the eastern province of Southeast Indonesia. He lost his father when he was still very young. His mother passed away during his years of philosophical formation, and later the aunt who raised him up also died. These early experiences did not harden him, rather they shaped in him a sober realism, inner strength, and a deep capacity of endurance. The seed of his vocation grew in his life from the time when he was still a small boy. Inspired by the witness of SVD missionaries in his home parish, he wanted to be a priest. For this reason, after his junior high school, the young Augustine Joram entered the minor seminary in 1996. He studied at St. John Paul II in Labuan Bajo, West Flores, till the year of 2000. The young Augustine Joram joined the SVD in the year of 2000 when he went to the SV novitiate at Divine Word Novitiate in Kuvu, West Flores. He professed his first vows on 15 August 2002. After his novitiate program, Brother Augustinus Joram SVD went to St. Paul Major Seminary in Ledalero, Flores, for philosophy studies. He completed his philosophical studies in 2006 when he got his degree in philosophy. From 2006 to 2007, the young Brother Augustinus Joram SVD did his pastoral experience in Borneo, in the island in the west of Indonesia. In July 2007, Brother Augustinus SVD went back to St. Paul Major Seminary in Ledalero, Flores, for his theological study. A year later, on 15 August 2008, Brother Augustinus Joram SVD professed his perpetual vows in the Society of the Divine Word Missionaries. He was ordained to the priesthood on 12 August 2009. Following his ordination, he was assigned to the Zimbabwe region, where he began his missionary service after a period of waiting and preparation. Father Augustinus Joram SVD arrived in Zimbabwe on 28 April 2011. His early years in mission were demanding, learning English and Shona, the language which we never learned before. English, yes, we learned. He experienced the vulnerability of serving without full command of language or culture, yet he remained present and faithful. Over time, he grew into pastoral responsibility, particularly during his long assignment at Holy Cross Parish in Harare. There he learned leadership through listening, consultation, and trust in lay collaborators. His commitment to transparency and regular dialogue helped rebuild confidence and strengthen parish life. After many years of intense parish ministry, he honestly acknowledged the need for renewal and accepted a new assignment in a rural mission at St. Dominic Parish, Mundoro. With its many outstations, he rediscovered joy in simplicity, presence, and accompaniment. Though the work was physically demanding, he spoke of inner peace and a renewed sense of meaning in his priestly service. In our conversation, Father Augustinus described his image of God as mysterious yet trustworthy. His faith had been tested by loss, uncertainty, and questioning, particularly during a prolonged period away from mission during the COVID years. Yet he remained convinced that God was at work, even when understanding was lacking. One line he shares stays with, God walk with me, even when I don't understand. God walks with me, even when I don't understand. He also reflected thoughtful on the future of the region, encouraging diversification